For the final part, we're going to be adding fillet to our design. What fillet does is that will get rid of all of the sharp edges we have on our design. Example here, there, here, and there. So go up here to fillet, select the following edges. Once you have all of that, make it 1 and then press enter. And then use fillet again, up here, and the inner circle, outer circle, and inner circle. And make it 0.5. So that way, when you put your finger in here, you don't get a scratch. And then press OK. Then combine the bodies together, select body 1, hold down shift, select body 2, and then go to up here to where it says combine, and then press OK. It should become one body. After that, click on A for appearance and search for a color that you want. I want blue. After that, just drag it on and save your work. And part 3 is done.